Today I'm going to show you how to use BCC in a Gmail email, a full 2026 guide in a simple and clear way. First, go to Gmail and log in to your account. Once you're inside your inbox, click on Compose to create a new email. Now, look at the email fields at the top. You'll see To, and on the right side, there's an option called BCC, which stands for Blind Carbon Copy. Click on BCC to enable that field. Next, enter the email addresses you want to hide inside the BCC field. The people listed here will receive the email, but their addresses will not be visible to other recipients. You can still add a main recipient in the To field, or even leave it as your own email if you're sending a bulk message. Using BCC is very useful when sending emails to multiple people while keeping their addresses private and protecting their privacy. After writing your message, click Send, as usual. And that's it. Now you know how to use BCC in Gmail quickly and professionally.